We have planned pool party. I think this is for the first time. It's not I think, it's for the first time that we are organizing. You might have seen it in the WhatsApp groups as well, right? So it's there. We'll be organizing prayer this time. That may be again something which is interesting for you. Likewise, what all we could include without compromising our academics will be included this time as well. To make the teaching learning process that is happening at school interesting for you all. So may I request Patricia Amos, wherever you are, can you please stand up where you are? 5 A stars and 3 A's. So, now coming second, it is Aishwarya Sajid Kumar. 4 A stars and 4 A's. Thank you, Aishwarya. Third, Abhinav Hamish, wherever you are, can you please stand up there? Abhinav, 3 A stars, 2 A's, 1 B and 1 C. So he is at the third position in IGCSE Cambridge examination. Coming to AS level, the first position is to Pranav Narayanan, 3 A's and 2 B's. Now the second position, Riyaz Yumada. Riyaz Yumada, 3 A's and 1 B. Third position, it is G and Chief Lieutenant and Mohammed Ashfaq. 3 A's and 1 C. Now, the A-levels, the final exam, which is the A-level examination. The first position is shared by 3. The first one is Kevin Sharma. Second person is Aisha Ashraf Patel. Again, the third person who is sharing the first position is Dehami. For Kevin, it is 1 A star, 2 B and 1 C. Again, Aisha Ashraf Patel, 1 A star, 2 B and 1 C. Again, Dehami, again 1 A, 3 B's. So these 3 are sharing the first position. The second position is for Misbah Iqbal Shinoy, 2 B's and 1 C. Then second again, Abu Bakr, 1 A, 1 B and 1 D. Third position is shared by 4, Mohammed Amin Iqbal Pandur, Fazal R. Rahman, Mohammed Patel and Abdul Rahman Mogra. So, A-level to get an A star and B is so hard. So they require one more round of applause, even if they're answering.
We will not administer exams to anyone who is suspended. So the best you can do is avoid suspension. If you like being outside during registration time, the form teacher has the power to mark you absent. If you are found sitting on a desk, no break for you.
We are Central High International School.